Hello and welcome everybody. Dear students, we have seen definition and standard formula in integration. Also we have seen rules on integration. Now you are ready to solve the problems. So we solve some problems. Let us see here. First problem, solution of first. Integration in bracket sin x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by third root x dx. It is equal to, we know rules on integration, so you can take integration of each term separately here. So you can write integration of sin x dx plus integration of 1 divided by x dx plus integration 1 divided by third root x dx. Then apply standard formula and write integral here. We know integration of sin x is minus cos x plus, this is also standard formula, integration of 1 upon x, nothing but log x. To write integral of this, here 1 divided by third root x. So first we take third root of x to numerator. Third root of x means x to the power 1 by 3. Take that to numerator, plus 1 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3 dx. So it is equal to minus cos x plus log x plus, apply first formula, integration of x to the power n dx. General formula, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So by that formula, x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. Divide by same, that is 2 by 3, and write here plus c, constant of integration. After write integral of any function, we add plus c, constant of integration. So this is solution, minus cos x plus log x plus 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 here into x to the power 2 by 3 plus c. Then second problem, integration root x plus 1 divided by x plus root x dx. It is equal to, how to solve this? Ratio is given. So first we simplify this, integration root x plus 1 divided by, from denominator we can take here common root x. Observe denominator, take root x common. Here first term is x, x means we can write root x into root x and root x outside. So in bracket root x plus 1 dx. Now see here root x plus 1 and this root x plus 1 cancel, and we get here integration 1 divided by root x dx. And we know integration of 1 by root x, that is standard formula, integration is 2 root x, add plus c, that is constant of integration. Next, solution of third. Third problem, integration x square in bracket 1 minus 2 divided by x its square dx. How to solve this? Observe problem. See here given bracket square, outside x square. So you can multiply to this bracket. So you get here integration. Take x square in bracket. Note that power of bracket already 2 is here. When x square we take in bracket, it becomes x. So we get here x minus second term. X square becomes x means in second term x is cancelled. Simply we get 2 its square dx. Then you can write expansion of this, or you can integrate directly, because we know standard result, there is formula integration x to the power n dx, and whenever x is replaced by ax plus b, there is one result. When x is replaced by ax plus b, also we can apply formula. So you can write here integration as x minus 2, power 2 plus 1 means 3, divided by 3, here coefficient of x is 1, that is same, and write plus c. Solution completed. Next, fourth, integration 3x cube minus 2x plus 5 divided by x into root x dx. Here denominator is x into root x. So first we simplify. 3x cube minus 2x plus 5 divided by x into root x means x to the power 3 by 2, index 1 plus half 3 by 2 dx. So it is equal to integration. Then divide each term by x to the power 3 by 2. So we get here 3 constant x cube divided by x to the power 3 by 2. That is, when we take 3 by 2 to numerator, 3 minus 3 by 2. And we get here power as 3 by 2. 3 minus 3 by 2. Minus 2, here power 1. 1 minus 3 by 2. That is x to the power 1 minus 3 by 2 means minus half. Plus 5 x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. Then take integration of each term separately. Take constant outside, 3 outside. Integration x to the power 3 by 2 dx minus 2 constant integration x to the power minus half dx plus 5 constant integration x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. So it is equal to 3 constant. Apply first formula, x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1. We get 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 minus 2 constant x to the power minus half plus 1, that is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 5 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half divided by minus half and plus c, constant of integration. So this can be written 2 into 3 6 divided by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 minus 2 into 2 4 x to the power half means we can write root x plus into minus minus sign, 2 goes to numerator, 2 into 5 means 10 and x to the power minus half can be written 1 divided by x to the power half, that is root x plus c. Solution completed. Next, solution of fifth. Integration of tan square x dx. It is equal to find the integration of tan square, there is no standard formula. So I have to use here our trigonometric formula. We convert tan square x into trigonometric form which is easily integrable. So use formula for tan square x. So formula is 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. So tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. So it is equal to, take integration separately, integration sec square x dx minus integration 1 dx, and which is integrable. We know integration of sec square x tan x minus integration of 1 dx is x and write plus c. Then solution of sixth problem, integration sin 2x divided by cos x dx. It is equal to, so here numerator is sin 2x, we know formula for sin 2x, that is 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos x dx. 2 constant outside, integration, here cos x cancel and we get sin x dx. 2 constant and we know integration of sin x minus cos x, right, plus c. Solution of seventh problem, integration sin x divided by cos square x dx. This can be written 1 divided by cos x into sin x divided by cos x dx. This cos square x written as cos x into cos x, and which is equal to integration 1 upon cos means sec, sin upon cos means tan x dx, and this is standard formula. So which is equal to integration of sec x tan x dx, that is nothing but sec x plus c. Then solution of eighth problem, integration cos 2x divided by sin square x, dx. 8th, integration of cos 2x divided by sin square x dx. So use formula for here cos 2x. You know formula cos 2 theta means cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Denominator same, sin square x dx. Then separate terms, in bracket we get cos square divided by sin square means cot square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cancel, we get 1 dx. Take integration separately. Integration of cot square x dx minus integration 1 dx. So it is equal to, there is no standard formula for integration of cot square x. So use here trigonometric formula. You know formula 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So cot square x means cosec square x minus 1 dx minus integration of 1 dx is x. Then you write here integration of cosec square x, or write separately integration of cosec square x dx minus sin integration of 1 dx minus x, and you know standard formula integration of cosec square x is minus cot x minus integration of 1 dx is x minus x plus c. So it is equal to minus cot x addition minus x minus 2x plus c. Solution completed. Next, solution of 9th problem. Integration cos 2x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Again we use formula for cos 2x, that is cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Then we separate terms. First term divided by denominator, see here cos square x cancel and we get 1 divided by sin square x minus second term sin square x cancelled and we get 1 divided by cos square x dx. So it is equal to integration in bracket 1 divided by sin square means cosec square x minus 1 upon cos square means sec square x dx. Take integration directly or you can write separately. We know integration of cosec square x minus cot x minus, we know integration of sec square x tan x, right, plus c. And solution of 10th problem, integration sin x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. So dear students, here note that whenever 1 plus sin x is in denominator, so in such problems, whenever 1 plus sin x is there, 1 minus sin x is there, always we have to rationalize denominator and then simplify and then integrate. So it is equal to integration sin x divided by 1 plus sin x multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x dx. So it is equal to integration multiply by sin x to this factor 1 minus sin x. So you get here sin x into 1, that is sin x, minus sin x into sin x sin square x. Denominator, apply formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So here 1 square means 1 and sin square x as it is dx. So it is equal to integration sin x minus sin square x, denominator 1 minus sin square means cos square x dx. So it is equal to, now separate terms, it is equal to integration in bracket sin x divided by cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x dx, which is equal to integration, this can be written 1 upon cos x into sin x divided by cos x minus sin square x divided by cos square x means tan square x dx. So it is equal to integration in bracket 1 upon cos means sec x, sin upon cos means tan x minus, note that whenever tan square x is there, use formula sec square x minus 1 outside bracket dx. So it is equal to integration of first term sec x tan x dx minus integration of second term sec square x dx. This minus sign and this minus sign plus, so integration of last term is 1 dx. So it is equal to, we know standard formula integration of sec x tan x is sec x minus, we know integration of sec square x tan x plus integration of 1 dx x plus c constant of integration. And the solutions are completed. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.